Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're on the east coast of Scotland and going down to maybe England. We're going down to England? Yeah, we'll go down to England.
Wants to go back to Scotland.
And we're here today with the one and only Holly, the very single Lauren, and me, Sean.
And me, Sean.
And let's go explore. So today's video we're planning to see St Abbs, Berwick-upon-Tweed, and where else are we right now?
North Berwick.
And North Berwick. We're going to show you these areas and show you what you can do on a road trip on the east of Scotland and the very, very north of England. Should we go in there?
Yeah, still single, guys.
Not the joke I was going for, but okay. I was going to go, do you want to go in there? And you were going to go,
oh,
why not? But no.
I just had to update the viewers. Still single. He offers.
Oh,
It'll take about a month for people to see it.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Yeah. Not my shining personality, obviously.
Let's try this again. Holly, do you want to go in there?
Why not?
That's better.
I'm still single. It sounds like Halloween.
Wow. So where are we today, guys?
North Berwick, as you would say. Berwick.
North Berwick.
Berwick.
Berwick. Okay, that's where we are currently. This is just the high street.
We're in the Scottish Berwick just now. Scottish Berwick, not the English one.
This is our English one?
Yeah, there's Berwick-upon-Tweed, which is in England.
Alright, okay, there you go, guys. The little seaside town. And we're just going to have a look down the high street here. And there's free. That's cute. Free buckets of beige and just put back afterwards. So we're off to St Abbs, where Thor had his dad bod, which is quite ironic because that's where New Asgard was filmed. So let's go and have a look at the coast area there. If it's anything to looks like on the Avengers films, it's going to be stunning. The weather is good today, and now it's 15 degrees in Scotland, which means it is warm. Yeah. So on the way down, we decided to take the coastal road, and we've come across this little cafe. But more importantly, we've come across these amazing sights. Could be in any part of the world right now. So you reckon there's either two options, you walk all the way around or just jump over this little barrier? Poof! I reckon it'd be quicker to do that.
Probably just really parkour!
Hi guys, we've made it to New Asgard, or St Abbs as the locals like to call it. It is super foggy out here, not because it's actually foggy. Apparently they were doing the fields. It was like going through some sort of like horror film on the way down here.
It might just be foggy from the water here though. Yeah.
No, it's definitely...
No, we're going with the fields.
I'm going with the fields. It's got to be the fields.
Yeah.
Could be foggy from the... Could be foggy from the water. It's a lot colder here, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's super foggy, guys. But it does look pretty epic. Whew. So here you go. Here's New Asgard or St Abbs. Enjoy. What, this whole area?
Town people, yeah, the harbour. It's not owned by the council.
So the whole local people own the whole area?
They own the harbour, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's quite cool.
That's what it said in the song on the road about it. And then that's in memorial of a guy that was lost at sea.
Oh. And what's this?
Yeah, we used to fight for dolphins, but obviously it's a bit too I
can barely just see the sea, let alone the dolphins. So that is it in St Abbs. It was just kind of just seeing that view and then the sign saying New Asgard. But there you go, guys. This is the whole area. It's just, you can kind of see it from here. We can.
Hemsworth was here. It's cool.
Was he actually here though?
Yeah, it was filmed.
No, I know, but he was filmed inside the house. So would he have actually been here?
He was about.
Maybe not. Maybe he wasn't actually here.
He was here. Hashtag Marvel.
I'm in England, baby! Yeah!
Technically not.
I'm in England! Have you got your passports ready? Hey, no crossing my wall. Oh, I could have hours of fun just here. You tell the camera where we are, Holly.
We're in Berwick-upon-Tweed.
And whereabouts, which country is that in? Tell everyone what country we're in right now.
Barely England.
Barely England. This would be a lovely view, apart from the fact it's foggy as anything today.
Yeah, it's miserable in England and beautiful in Scotland. Yes.
To be fair, the closer we have got to England, the foggier it's got. Yes, this is the same day as the start of the video. That was me going, oh, I'll fly my drone later because I think I'll get a better view.
I'll get a better view to
Like,
England.
imagine how far I'd fly. I'd lose sight of it within 2 minutes. What's that say, Lauren?
A platform for guns.
Where's the guns? Get on the platform, come on.
Sea.
We're going to the sea.
Going to the sea.
Going to the sea?
Yeah. Gotta be careful, those seagulls might actually take one. I'm like small dogs.
She's like 3'2", guys. And single.
4, 5. I'm positive for your convenience. For your convenience. I think you can just get trashed on the 4 shorts for a tenner while he drives. I mean, yeah, but I'm working tomorrow, so that won't be fun.
It looks like Lauren can get trashed on her own and we can watch.
Do you want to have a 3-hour car journey with Dory?
Oh, bloody hell no.
I had a sandwich, I wouldn't go Dory.
And she's still single, guys.
Bank of Scotland. The homeland is here still.
Oh, and they got the Royal Bank as well.
See, this is practically Scotland. We're not really in England.
They thought opposite of you.
I know.
The people we walked past was not happy with that saying. So, quick question.
Yeah.
Which of the 3 places we stopped at today was your favourite?
North Berwick. North Berwick. The one that actually had a bit of sunshine. Yeah. The skies.
You sure it's not just because it's the most Scottish one out of the 3?
No, just the sunshine.
100 miles to Edinburgh. Who decided to do this on a misty day? Like,
it's nice in Scotland. Like, it's not my fault that it's raining here. Miserable.
I love the fact that you blame me because I'm English and you're like, it's your fault.
To us all the time. Yeah, literally every time. Sorry if you can dish it out, but I can't take it back again. Actually, to the point when we were down visiting your family and it rained, it was my fault.
You just brought the weather with you. Looking to visit the UK, would you recommend this place?
Yeah, check it's open first. Check everything's open and in the summer. It's a bit off season for a coastal town.
Is that no way of saying no?
No, it's nice in the summer.
Oh, okay. So there you go, guys. Visit here in the summer and probably not on a
random misty day.
Yeah, which is a Monday because everything's closed on a Monday.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if it's sunny in Scotland, it's probably miserable here, so just stick to Scotland.
Hi Bye guys, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then check out other videos on my channel. There is loads of videos of Scotland, England and other parts of Europe. It's about me and my travel life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.